The 2025 Skoda Fabia is here to redefine the compact hatchback segment with impressive performance, modern technology, and premium comfort. This next-generation Fabia is set to impress urban drivers and long-distance travelers alike. Let's dive into what makes it stand out. The 2025 Fabia is expected to feature a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 150 horsepower and paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This ensures a smooth and responsive driving experience while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. A mild hybrid variant is also rumored to join the lineup, offering better economy and lower emissions without compromising on power. With enhanced aerodynamics and lightweight materials, the Fabia promises excellent handling and agility, making city driving effortless. Step inside the 2025 Fabia, and you'll find a refined and tech-packed cabin. Expect high-quality materials, a 10-inch digital instrument cluster, and a spacious 9.2-inch infotainment touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The ergonomic seating, ambient lighting, and enhanced sound insulation make every ride enjoyable. Safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and a 360-degree camera ensure peace of mind on the road. The 2025 Skoda Fabia is expected to launch in mid-2025, with pre-orders opening by early 2025. Pricing is estimated to start at $20,000, with higher trims and optional features pushing the price up to $27,000 plus. What do you think about the new Fabia? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car content. See you in the next one. The 2026 Skoda Kushach is here, redefining the compact SUV segment with its bold design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance. Skoda has taken things to the next level, making the Kushach a powerful, stylish, and smart choice for modern drivers. Let's dive into what makes the 2026 Kushach a game-changer. Under the hood, the 2026 Kushach is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 160 horsepower and 190 pound-feet of torque. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission, this SUV promises a thrilling and smooth driving experience. For those looking for better fuel efficiency, Skoda introduces a mild hybrid variant, ensuring lower emissions while maintaining exceptional power. The enhanced suspension and improved aerodynamics provide a balanced ride, whether in the city or on the highway. Step inside the 2026 Kushach, and you're welcomed by a premium, driver-centric cabin featuring leather-trimmed seats, customizable ambient lighting, and a fully digital instrument cluster. The 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Skoda's intelligent voice assistant. Pricing is expected to start at $24,000 for the base model, with top trims and additional features bringing the price up to $30,000 plus. The 2026 Skoda Kushach is the perfect combination of performance, technology, and affordability. What are your thoughts on the new Skoda Kushach? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car content. See you in the next one. The new Skoda Karoq is here, and it's better than ever. This stylish, compact SUV combines efficiency, power, and smooth handling to make every drive a thrill. Under the hood, Skoda offers multiple engine options, including a 1.5-liter TSI turbocharged petrol delivering 150 horsepower and a 2.0-liter TDI diesel variant with up to 190 horsepower. For those looking for something greener, a mild hybrid version enhances fuel efficiency while maintaining dynamic performance. Paired with a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG automatic, the Karoq ensures a refined and responsive ride. The optional all-wheel drive system provides better traction, making it perfect for off-road adventures or challenging weather conditions. Thanks to improved aerodynamics and a lighter chassis, the new Karoq is more fuel efficient than ever, reducing emissions while keeping the excitement alive. Step inside and you're welcomed by a modern tech-packed cabin. The floating 10.25-inch digital cockpit gives you all the essential driving data with crystal-clear graphics. The 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. Comfort takes center stage with ergonomic seats, premium upholstery, and ambient LED lighting. The larger panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, making every journey more enjoyable. And with Skoda's Simply Clever storage solutions, you'll find innovative compartments to keep everything organized. Perfect for road trips or daily commutes. The new Skoda Karoq is expected to hit the roads in mid-2025, with pre-orders opening early in the year. As for the price, it's estimated to start around $27,000, making it an outstanding value for a feature-packed SUV. Would you pick the new Karoq over its rivals? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting car content. Car exhaust. The 2025 Skoda Rapid is making a bold comeback, combining efficiency with an exhilarating driving experience. Under the hood, expect two engine options: a 1.0-liter TSI turbocharged 3-cylinder with 110 horsepower and a more powerful 1.5-liter TSI 4-cylinder delivering 150 horsepower. Whether you choose the 6-speed manual transmission or the 7-speed DSG automatic, you'll enjoy smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency. And for eco-conscious drivers, Skoda is also introducing a mild hybrid variant, enhancing fuel economy without compromising on power. With a redesigned suspension system and improved aerodynamics, the Rapid is more stable, agile, and fun to drive than ever before. Step inside the 2025 Rapid, and you'll instantly notice the premium upgrade. The floating 10-inch infotainment display features the latest Skoda Connect system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital driver's cockpit displays real-time navigation and driving data with stunning clarity. The cabin is designed for ultimate comfort, with ergonomically crafted seats, ambient LED lighting, and dual-zone climate control. Plus, Skoda's Simply Clever storage solutions ensure there's room for everything, perfect for long drives or urban commutes. Excited to get your hands on the new Skoda Rapid? The wait won't be long. The official release is expected in early 2025, with pre-orders opening soon. Pricing is estimated to start at $20,000, making it an unbeatable value in its segment. Whether you're looking for efficiency, performance, or high-tech features, the 2025 Rapid delivers it all at an affordable price. Would you pick the new Skoda Rapid over its competitors? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting car content. Car exhaust.